heard stories, man, that like nothing I've ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this, man.
Why are you sitting here?
He's coming, right? Not like last time.
Jackson, I did invite him.
It's been so long. Are you sure you called the right number?
Honey, your uncle's a different kind of person. It doesn't mean he doesn't love us.
I trust our info in finding Maurice was correct. We've gained access to the CTOS backdoor while the police were being distracted by you. Since we both win in this, we'll share what we have. That backdoor allows you some access to the CTOS network. I'm still working on something bigger. Give me time.
I'd fixer to help me find the shooter. Jordy Chin. I was skeptical at first because the guy's eccentric. He's got a motor mouth. Says I'm wearing a fancy suit to work. So far he delivers. Help me dig up a name. Maurice Vega.
Drive where?
Anywhere.
I don't want to go anywhere. I want to go to Pawnee.
Okay, you're the boss. We'll go to Pawnee.
Sick of remembering her that way. It's never a dream of her tiny face pressing the window when she knows I was coming over. Or that little wobbly dance she did. It's always the same nightmare. I need to get my mind off things. Lucky for me, this city's full of distractions. And they can't hide from me. I'll have to thank CTOS one day. Simple breach of their facial recognition software, and I've got access to everyone's personal details.
That's fine.
That guy's out of control.
Oh yeah, got it in a
I'm not gonna let him hurt anyone
area.
today.
What did you get?
It's a QR code.
Simple
a
trace
real
of his
working
call,
one. If
and
somebody
he's
scans it,
mine.
I've set up a website for my movie review blog. Free advertising.
For anybody that sees you without your pants.
It's a bigger target market than you think.
Sorry, my fault.
All right. He's here somewhere. Just move carefully. Don't get spotted. Let the profiler do the work. All right. She must be the woman he's after. This guy's close. I can feel it.
You big mouth breather? Try and have some manners.
Be proud, freaky friend.
Hey! We need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about. We're done. Deal with
You're
it.
so fucking wrong. I'm not done yet.
Get
I gotta
away!
stop him now.
I'll scream.
Yeah, what do you want?
It's my life. Why is this happening? Why me?
You won't bother anyone now. Nikki, hey, I know, the party started.
It's almost over. Where are you?
I'm on my way.
Ugh, you make me crazy. Jackson's really looking forward to it. Get over here. We miss you.
I miss you too. I'll be there. Sorry, Nick, I need to take this. I'll see you soon.
Good. You got out. Look, if you need some wheels, give me a call. I'll set you up.
Pre-owned cars?
You'd rather register yourself at a car dealer? I don't ask questions. This guy gets me any ride I want. And you, if you need it.
I just might. How's Maurice doing?
Oh, he's all sunshine and buttercups. I'm gonna dump him at my little dumping place.
I need him alive, Jordy.
Yeah, alive. Whatever.
Goes against your better nature, huh?
I'd pop him and be done, but hey, you pay me right, I'll keep him alive as long as you want. I do work for a paycheck.
And I don't know. You say it's hard right now. It's in my head and spending all my time. Keep you
considered, such as terrorists. Both City Hall and law enforcement have denounced the group, saying the group is simply fear-mongering. But Deadnedz described itself as the modern-day canary in the coal mine.
You look like a generous person. The Lord thanks you kindly.
So awful. Gotta get out of here.
Climate change is real, and it's here in Chicago. You think our sweltering summers are a fluke? Oh, no. Help the environment. Help Chicago. Take the pledge. Get your booty back here. Fight the flag. Seriously, man, you should think about fighting the flag. I'm fighting right this minute.
You want something? Cógelo con calma. Hey.
Be a voice for the lost souls. We need everyone to join together in this war. $75% off your gym membership. Fight the flag. Seriously, man, you should think about fighting the flag. I'm fighting right this minute.
No sabe administrar nada. Ah, veo. Dale. You see that? Drugs, I tell you.
You feeling okay, buddy?
Te estaba llamando porque necesito...
Fight the flag. Seriously, man, you should think about fighting the flag. I'm fighting right this minute.
So we're signed up for the property tax and utility program with CTOS. So we're signed up for the property tax and utility program with CTOS.
It isn't really only me who feels this way. It's all over the frickin' news. Their faces. Doesn't look good. I don't think he fits in. I gave him a good recommendation. Yeah, sure. But his stuff is all over the news, man. Look, I can't hire him and find out he's fucking building bonds with the Christmas bonus money. What? I can't be associated with that. I'm a patriot. Maybe he's a funny guy, sure. I didn't know that type had a sense of humor, frankly. It has nothing to do with how he looked or whatever religion those guys are. His resume was kind of off. You
sure that's where he studied? It's a prestigious school. Have you guys been friends long? I'm just saying that this guy is one of them, right? Our company's a professional place. Know what I'm saying? Huh?
The yellow box or the blue one? Orange for heavy flow. Oh, come on. They go by flow? Of course. Why else would they need a color system? I don't know. Size? Why can't you do this?
Somebody tried to break into my house last night. Cops rolled up.
No, I keep it in my back pocket. See, that's what they're expecting. You have to keep it somewhere they're not expecting. Otherwise, all they have to do is get right next to you on the L train, for example, and they...
What's the problem? Can you hurry, please? I'm not feeling... Oh, God.
There was a brazen gang shootout at Chicago's baseball stadium earlier. Police cornered gang members in the stadium basement while thousands of spectators were in the bleachers above watching the game. A number of gang members were killed in the gunfight. None of the police were seriously harmed.
Yo no me fiaría.
I haven't been to Nikki's since the funeral. Am I ready? Jack's last birthday, Lena sang off key. Happy birthday. Full throttle, no holds barred. Now, I'm afraid of the silence.
Then what happened? So we're going at it, right? And it's amazing. She's a fucking demon in the sack, but I realized that I really gotta pee. So what'd you do? Well, I kept thinking she was close, so I kept at it. But she never comes, and for some reason, I don't either. Maybe it's because I had to go so bad. All I know is, 30 minutes later...
You're probably in the backyard.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay. Here goes.
How old are you today?
10. No, I think you're 9.
I'm 10.
9.
10.
9.
10.
Well, in that case, you deserve 10 birthday tickles.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Whoa.
5, 6,
Stop.
7, 8, 9.
10. 10.
10. Stay here for a second. So, an entire year and...
You're late. Yeah, I'm sorry, Nick. Really.
Come here. Let's have a look at you. You look older.
Oh, nice. Thanks for that.
It's his first birthday without Lena.
Oh, how's he doing?
Still doesn't talk to anybody but me. Yolanda says it's his way of maintaining some sort of control.
Yolanda.
His therapist. She's helping him. It's good. Just slow. It's hard, but we're gonna get through it. Jax.
Hey. Sorry I'm late. Can I get out? Wow. You are big. So, hey, what do you got there? Wow, the healer. Cool. You brought him a real toy, huh?
Why don't you bring up your toys? I'm gonna speak with your uncle.
Yeah, I'll be up there in a sec.
This matters. You being here. I just need to make sure that things are different.
Things are different. You and Jax are the most important people in my life. I'm not gonna stop watching out for you.
Always the big brother, huh?
Last time I was back here, it was Lena's birthday. Jackson adored her. We all did.
You missed all the fun. The kids were playing vigilante, imitating that guy they keep talking about on TV.
Let me guess. Jax was the vigilante.
No, they were all the vigilantes, and I was the only villain, but I make a mean bad guy. I gave him hell.
I should have come earlier. I could have warned them. Don't mess with my sister.
Remember when you and Mom were both sick as dogs, but Dad insisted his boy was gonna have his birthday cake? That thing was an abomination. All burnt and lopsided. That was Dad in a nutshell. He did a lot of ugly things, but it was always about family. Listen to me, I'm rambling. Oh, really? No, don't let me interrupt you. Who is this? Do you think blogging caller ID will hide you? I don't know what's so entertaining, but the police won't find it very funny at all. I'm gonna give you some advice. Are you listening? Go outside, meet people, get a life, and stop calling me. What did you say? Listen, the police can trace this call.
I know where you live. How are the locks on those doors?
Who is this? Why are you calling?
Do you feel safe, Nikki?
Who was that?
Doesn't matter, just some stupid crank. It happens. Do you think this is strong enough?
Look, did you know his voice?
Oh, Jesus, Aiden, just leave it. It's fine.
It's fine. He thinks he can get inside.
How do you know what he thinks?
You're checking the locks.
Look, I can handle this on my own. We do not need your help.
Nikki, I can find this guy.
Okay, look, Aiden, God, you have not changed at all. We do not need your help. Please stop trying to fix our problems. Every time you try, you just make things worse.
I better go.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Grown man making crank calls. Let's see how safe you feel when I trace your call. There you are.
Damn it. He's on the move.
I've been afraid of this. Threats to my family, again. Yeah?
I'm sorry. I overreacted. You just make me so crazy sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Come on back, okay? I promise I won't freak out on you. Aiden? You're going after that creep, aren't you?
Well...
You're doing it right now. I can't believe you.
It's not like that.
Stop being a hero, Aiden. Let it go.
Let what? Yeah, the call's breaking up. I can't hear you.
No, you can hear me perfectly. You need to stop right now.
Yeah, hello? You still there? Can't hear you. Okay, gotta go.
Oh!
So we have a deal?
Shit, yeah. I can't believe you're paying me that much just to make a crank call. Nikki Pierce, right? I'll mention the locks like you said. And her kid. This feels wrong.
That's the point.
Oh God, I don't want to die. Good.
Someone paid this asshole to harass Nikki.
What the hell?
Who would pay? Pay for something like that.
Hey, did you get anywhere with DedSec? Any of those CTOS hacks?
Yeah, I'm still trying. They're kicking you out. Give me time.
Okay, well, I need your help then. Can you trace a phone call?
How can I refuse my best client? Wait, what am I looking at here?
It's from a guy who threatened my family. Want to know who hired him?
Well, the call came from somewhere in the Loop District. But that's as far as I can see.
Okay, if I can hack CTOS inside the loop.
Then I should be able to pinpoint the source of that call.
Let's do that. Bloom's building a new CTOS center in the loop. It's perfect.
DedSec tried to attack that center last month. We failed, and they just added more armed guards. So it won't be easy. Be careful.
You sound like my sister. Relax. Make sure I'm armed and dangerous.